How to remove Copilot from Windows 11 and disable it from your PC. First, open Settings from the Start menu. Click Apps, then select Installed Apps. Use the search box to find Copilot. If you see the Copilot app, click the three-dot menu, select Uninstall, and confirm the removal. To disable Windows Copilot more completely, open the Windows search box and type Registry Editor. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. In Registry Editor, navigate to HKey Current User, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows. Right-click the Windows folder, select New, Key, and name the new key Windows Copilot. Now, select the new Windows Copilot key, right-click an empty area on the right, and choose New DWORD 32-bit value. Name it Turn Off Windows Copilot. Double-click the new value, change value data from 0 to 1, and click OK. Finally, close Registry Editor and restart your PC. And that's it. You've successfully removed or disabled Copilot on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, click like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and share this video with others.